Hello everybody, I need to show you a little update. We get a big storm coming in. Well, I hope. Hopefully it won't be disappointing like last time I tried to film a storm 2 years ago or a year ago. I'm weather guy right now. This will be part 1 of this storm adventure thing. I live down over here. But I already read that. We're gonna click in here. This is what I meant by severe storms. Hence, risk of severe thunderstorms for Sunday, increasing concerns of damage and wind gusts and isolated tornadoes. Tonight will just be partly cloudy, increasing cloudiness. Sunday, prepare for a powerful, fast moving squall line to move to Florida. I live right about where my mouse is at, so we should expect storms from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is going to be interesting. I checked this out too. This is today, so this is for Saturday. I need to go to tomorrow. Everything's not updated yet. It's the same as this morning. We are in the enhanced risk. I put in the cities in. Here you go. Orlando is right in the orange. So that means you got some pretty big storms coming in. Interesting. And here's some stuff if you want to read for a second. Slowly scroll down. I'm going to kind of fast too, so if you want to read a little longer, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. Alright, that should be it. Alright, let's go back a little bit. This is where I live at, Excelsior Park, Florida. Tonight, we're gonna get nothing. Tomorrow and tomorrow night will be filming day, unless if we have a disappointment. But I'm hopefully we will not, and it will be nothing for a while. Alright, let's check the hazardous weather outlook. This has been uploaded at 7:40 p.m. Once again, I will go a little slow so you guys can read, but if I'm going too fast for you, just pause the video. See right there, strong cold front, squall line. Isolated tornadoes will be also possible in any storms. Alright, hang on a second. Let me pause this for a second. Alright, we're back. This right here is Torcon. This is showing the scale of percentage of tornado goes up to 1 to 10. And there I see 4, 5, and 6. And that means it's 40, 50 to 60% in the 50-mile radius. For example, if you live in, sorry, motorcycle behind us. If you live in southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, also if you live in eastern Florida Panhandle, you got 60% seeing a tornado. If you live in South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, and southern Mississippi and southern Louisiana, you got a 40% chance of a tornado. Central to southern Georgia has a 50% chance of seeing a tornado. That is today. Or earlier today. This is tonight now. There's some more 3, 4s, and 5s. That means 30% seeing a tornado in northern Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, and southern Tennessee. 40% chance of seeing a tornado in southeastern and Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, 50% seeing a tornado for central Alabama and central Georgia and eastern Florida Panhandle. And then the 60% seeing a tornado will be in central to southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, and southern Georgia. So keep an eye out, have your weather radio on for you and stuff. And this is tomorrow. Here's some more. 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6. See a 20% seeing a tornado in extreme southern Florida. 30% seeing a tornado in southern Virginia, northeastern Alabama, southeastern or eastern Tennessee, and central to southern Florida. 40% seeing a tornado in central to western all of North Carolina except for southern, northern western part of South Carolina, northern Georgia, central to southern Alabama and western Florida Panhandle. 6s is in eastern and southern South Carolina, central to southern California, Georgia, northern to north central Florida. That means 60. We live in between 6 and 3 and stuff, so I predict probably 5. That means 50. So we gotta keep an eye out. Alright, let me pause this one more time. I wanna go in one more place. Alright, I am back. I'm on the Weather Channel's thing. There is a tornado watch and warnings for Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama and western Florida Panhandle. So you guys gotta watch out if you guys live in these areas. There might be tornadoes on the ground. I've never seen that much tornado warnings in my life before. Until Saturday night. Tonight, the yellow-orange means just thunderstorms. Reds are severe. Which is, for example, New Orleans, Jackson, Mobile, Birmingham, and Tallahassee. You guys are in the danger zone. Atlanta, Macon, Huntsville, Montgomery, Memphis, Little Rock, and other places. Jacksonville, Pensacola. You guys are in the danger zone too. So be careful. This is a tornado outbreak. Second phase. It was well underway in Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and parts of northern Gulf Coast. So you guys better be careful. This is nighttime event too. Wind gusts can go up to 70 miles per hour and intense tornadoes. So hopefully you guys have a weather radio or something to keep you updated throughout the night. This is tomorrow. The storm moves southeastward into North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, and all of Florida. There will be another outbreak in the form of a squall line. For example, Atlanta, Jacksonville, Orlando, Tampa, and Charleston are in the severe threat. Included Raleigh, parts of Asheville, Wilmington, Columbia, Macon, Montgomery, Birmingham again, Panama City, Jacksonville, Tampa, Miami. You guys are on the red zone, so we gotta keep an eye. It's gonna be in the form of a squall line. It's same as yesterday. Damaging straight line winds, tornadoes, and hail all threats. I live down here where that mice is at, so I'll be watching the weather too as possible. This is part 1 out of maybe 4 to 5 of this storm. Here's some flooding forecast. Alright, let's go over here. Let me pause this for a second. Alright, I'm back. I'm on the 10-day forecast for where I'm at. Tonight's gonna be nothing. Tomorrow, it's gone down to 80 now. PM thunderstorms and wind. Let's see. Windy with periods of thunderstorms later in the day. A few storms may be severe. And into tomorrow night too. Then after that, cold front comes through. temperature drops, and then comes back up, and then we got rain again Thursday, temperature drops. Ooh, it's gonna be actually not gonna be that bad on Friday for Orlando Crooked Bike Match January's edition. So I'll be filming that too. Then rain comes in, drops for a couple of days. 55 Sunday. Starts going back up. Slowly into the low to mid 70s. Snowstorms for a while, so I probably won't be filming storms after this. I believe this is the first or second storm of 2017. That's all for right now. I will post part 2 in the morning. I ain't gonna post all of it on YouTube right now, because what happens if we get a disappointment, like storms and stuff comes through. I'm planning on filming maybe 4 to 5 parts. Part 2 in the morning. Part 3 if a watch comes out. Part 4 when the warning comes. Part 5 and 6 storms. So I see you guys soon.